Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming legal ownership and permission. Do not proceed without explicit authorization. Once done, make sure your Samsung actually supports NFC and HCE or Samsung Wallet provisioning. Also identify the card technology, because many payment and access cards use secure elements that cannot be copied for security reasons. Start by contacting the card issuer to ask about official transfer or provisioning options. This avoids illegal or unreliable cloning attempts and explains why you should use sanctioned methods. Next, rely on sanctioned methods to move credentials. Many banks, transit agencies, and access providers offer official provisioning into Samsung Wallet or their own apps. This is the secure, supported path. Once you request provisioning, the issuer can push a token or reissue credentials tied to your account and device's secure element. Make sure to follow the issuer's verification steps precisely, because secure elements and tokenization exist specifically to prevent copying and to keep your account safe. Finish by testing the provisioned credential at the actual reader or terminal. Repeated failed attempts can lock accounts, so proceed cautiously. If something goes wrong, collect error messages, screenshots, and proof of ownership, then contact the card issuer or Samsung support for guided troubleshooting. Remember, do not attempt physical cloning or unofficial workarounds. They are often illegal and unreliable. The single best troubleshooting tip is to request official reprovisioning from the issuer with documented identity verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.